Hello, Pooja. Good
Yes, it's
afternoon.
good
How are you?
afternoon. Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking me. What about you?
I'm also fine. Thanks for asking. So, what's going on?
Okay. Mm-hmm. So, how was your morning?
Yeah, morning was quite good. I was
Mm-hmm.
excited. I was waiting for your message.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so today, like on the time, I was busy because I take classes. So that time, one of my learner, and she is busy somewhere. So that's why I thought let's give it a shot. And you have been messaging me, so I thought, I don't feel good when someone keep messaging me. So I don't feel good to say no, I don't have time, but it is my compulsion. So it is my compulsion because really I don't have time, and now I have 30 minutes. So I thought, okay, just utilize that 30 minutes
Okay. Okay.
because nowadays summer vacation is going on, so my son is at home and there are lots of things to do.
I can understand because I am also mother of two kids. So sometimes we feel very difficult to handle them. It's happened with everyone, right?
Yeah,
So yeah. So beforehand, Pooja.
that's right. So could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. So
Because we are meeting very first time.
yeah, yeah. So my name is Deepa Upadhyay Pathak. Basically, I am from Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about my education, I have done my PG,
Mm-hmm.
B.Ed, um, as well as I have cracked UP TET and CTET also. And last year, in addition, I have completed a course which is related to
Mm-hmm.
NLP. So I can say now I am an NLP practitioner. Yeah, I'm
Okay, so
audible.
what is D? I don't have any idea related to that. Can you describe?
NLP,
LLP.
NLP, yeah, it's related to our neuroscience.
LLP. LLP.
NLP, Neuro Linguistic Program.
I know LLP. LLB, right? That is related to law.
Yeah, but
And
here,
you are talking about something else.
yes, NLP, Neuro Linguistic Program.
NLP.
How to
Okay.
understand your brain,
Okay.
how to understand your brain, your body.
New learning program.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's related to
Mm-hmm. So that
neurologistic
is a
program.
different course, like a diploma. So this is related like a diploma kind of course.
Yes, yes, it's a diploma. 3 month diploma. Yeah,
O- Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So you have completed.
Yeah, I have completed, but I can join again. But I'm waiting for right time.
Mm-hmm.
Because since my kids they are at home, so for me it's very difficult to handle them
Mm-hmm.
to and practice English and connect NLP classes. So I'm just waiting for
Mm-hmm.
their school. Then I will start again. Yeah.
Okay. That is related to neurology, something that astrology and neurology both are different things, right?
Neurologist
So,
is
so
related to
that
your
is related to that
no,
because
no, it's related to our brain.
brain. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. That is something. Okay, okay,
Neurology means
okay.
brain.
And
Numerology means कि you can connect with astrology.
numerology.
Numerology and neurology.
Yeah, that is something related to predict the future. Numerology. Okay. Hmm.
Exactly.
Okay.
Uh,
Yeah.
if you don't mind, so could
So
you
before
please
diving into
your
the session,
yeah.
yeah. So, as you already know, my name is Pooja Singh and I am from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I hold a BTech degree in electronic and communication. I was working earlier, but when I got married, so I had to leave my job for the sake of my child because here no one is who look after my baby. So that's why. And it's been 10 months. I have started my English journey, communication journey, September 2025. So it's been 10 months. I have been doing the same thing. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I love to interact with Bijar and I love reading book. I have a green thumb and simultaneously I run a YouTube channel by the name of English Jubilation where I upload this kind of conversation video and shorts video. Channel is totally dedicated to English, and I help people who really want to learn English. Yeah, so it's all about me.
So you're nowadays you are I think you have started taking classes, isn't it?
Yeah, yes, yeah. I'm working as a freelancer nowadays.
Yeah, I think for us for women it's very beneficial working as a freelancer because we can switch our time
Right.
according to our situation. Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. And we can do that work according to our time, according to our convenience, sitting at home, take caring our baby, managing household chores, everything we can manage. And we also feel okay, something we are doing.
Exactly, because if someone like say, and you, I think you observe in my introduction, I never mentioned I am a homemaker. Although I'm proud of it, I am a homemaker. But sometimes what I feel like, no, I cannot, all the time I cannot consider myself I am a homemaker. That's how our mind work. You
Hmm.
want to do
Yeah.
something, so
Right.
just try to say what you want to achieve in your life, right? So that is the reason
Yeah.
I
Right.
never mention I am a homemaker. Although I'm proud of it and I'm
Hmm.
taking care, I would say I'm quite privileged that I have time, I have energy or education kind of
Hmm.
that I can pass towards our kids. But still, I don't want to mention
Yeah.
I'm a homemaker. I don't know why, but I'm trying to add maybe in further. Yeah.
Yeah, after getting married, every woman become automatically become housewife, homemaker, right?
Yes.
But if we are able to do that, managing household chores and being as a homemaker, as a housewife, if we are able to do something else, so that could be better. We
Exactly.
all are homemaker, housewife.
Yeah, and that thing gives us like content. We feel automatic, happy, excited. Yeah, we are doing something.
Hmm.
Not, it's not like I think matter about money, earning money. It's matter about what you
Yeah.
want to do, and if you are able to do
Yes.
at least you, if you are able to squeeze some time for that particular goal.
Hmm.
So, what I feel like, yeah, we are doing something at least for us. Because being
Yes.
mother, homemaker, or wife, or daughter-in-law, so we always try to put our goals, our dream on back burner, right?
Hmm. Right. Right.
Yeah.
Always. And it's not about, as you mentioned, it's not about earning money. It's all about identity,
Exactly, exactly. It's
right?
very
It's
important
all
now.
about identity
Yeah.
nowadays. Yeah, it's very important. And whenever we introduce ourselves as a homemaker, as a housewife, so we feel demotivated despite doing lots of work, right? Like household work is kind of never ending process,
Never, yeah.
despite doing lots of putting lots of effort, and we feel no, we are not doing anything. And like we can sense that things in our relative, in our family members eyes too, they
Ex-
they don't consider you like we are doing something else. So I think every woman should do
And
something
one thing, yeah,
else.
even
Yeah.
though you are like putting your heart and soul, right, sweat and blood to take
Right.
care of our family members and our house, but no one going to consider us. We are doing something
Hmm.
good for them, for our family.
Right.
Instead, if you
Hmm.
are earning
Yeah.
money, so they are going to talk with you. They are going to
Hmm.
make connection with you because now you are earning money. They are going to give you
Yeah.
respect. They are going to admire you. That
Yes.
that the
Hmm.
things what I always like came across in my family, in my own family. Even
Hmm.
last month, I was in my in-laws family in Prayagraj. So I was only one daughter-in-law who take care of each and everything. That,
Hmm.
yeah, that responsibility just hold like put me on my toes all the time, day and night,
Hmm.
rain
Yeah.
and sun,
Hmm.
right? But no one was
Hmm.
there. Like sometimes we don't need any word. Sometimes we
Yeah.
need your behavior, what kind of behavior
Hmm.
you behaving with us, or because I believe that action speak louder than word, right? You are just giving one or two words towards our
Right.
hard work, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, whatever you have
Hard
done,
work.
literally great. I admire you. And then later, after 5 minutes, they forget all the things
Hmm.
and they start taking you like you're not.
Hmm.
So that thing like
Yeah,
feel
taking as a
me.
granted. You are not doing anything.
Yeah, and that thing like we have like you're not doing anything different. Every woman, every like
Hmm.
homemaker or daughter-in-law, they are doing the same. So why you want to? So I said,
Hmm.
"Okay, what about you, madam? You are doing something. You are doing something for us, being a
Mm-hmm.
mother, being a
You're
queen."
also doing the same thing.
Yeah, but no, even people don't
Yeah.
want to do even they don't want to make a cup of tea for themselves. So that thing, see, you don't want to make a cup of tea. Hello, Pooja. I'm audible.
Yes.
Yeah,
So I think your video got stuck for a while. Yeah, now it is okay. Hmm. I think that there is network problem issue. So
yeah,
yeah, it's happened. So I think we are the one. If we start loving ourselves, so the other person will also start loving yourself. I think we should start loving ourselves, and we taken ourselves as a granted. It's our responsibility. We have to do everything, right? And after becoming mother, we are the one who start thinking, right now my whole world's around my child's and this is my world. We start thinking like that, but despite thinking that, we should think ourselves.
exactly. It's very
That is also
necessary.
one of responsibility. No one can take that responsibilities, but we should also think on ourselves. We should give some me time for ourselves, and we should follow one passion. So in
Exactly.
that way we feel motivated,
Yeah, and one thing
right?
if I like
Yeah.
mention here,
uh,
it's better to squandering our time on trivial things. So try to spend that time on something productive things. Like if you want to polish your skill, if you are like suppose we are learning this language, and meanwhile we are just learning,
hmm.
we are polishing our communication skills also here. So just try to do something great
Yes.
that make you happy, that make you feel content. Just try to like just
Right.
like make a call to anyone and just try to talk something nonsense or any just try to start gossiping. Is better to do something great for yourself or for our kids, because we are being a mother, it's our
Right.
responsibility. No one here to take care of looking after our kids. Yeah, I also
Hmm.
believe that.
Yeah.
What about you?
Yes. And we are not just augmenting our English or augmenting our communication skill. We are doing a lot of things simultaneously, because if we talk with someone, so we can get something from someone, and we can broaden our horizon, right? We can expand our knowledge, and we can get motivation, we can get inspired by someone. Like for like I'm talking to you, so definitely like end of this conversation, I gain I will gain something from you. I will feel motivated. If she can do, I can also do.
Yeah,
So there are lots of things we are getting, and one of the best thing, we are entertaining ourselves. That is most important thing. We are sitting at a home, right? We feel frustrated, and we do not get that exposure to talk with any person, to entertain ourselves. We are not getting time. So in that way, we can also entertain ourselves,
exactly.
and we are also following our passion. So this
Yeah.
is the best way.
I can say like I'm a kind of resilient person. I cannot put my dream for a long time on burner because I believe that if you want to if you want to achieve your goal, so you have to work on it, because you are only one who take care of yourself.
Yes.
No one here to even ask you what you are feeling right now. You want to cup of tea, you want to glass of water, no matter whatever you are feeling, you have to take care of yourself. You are only you are only one, right? So that things I
Yes,
understand very
yes,
early. And you won't believe, like I always take care of myself,
yes.
like my feeling, my physical health, my house, my kids. I never think, sometimes I feel like emotional if someone elders who supports me mentally or physically. Sometimes being a woman we need some support,
Mm.
but ultimately no one here to support us, because they
Yes, we need.
always ready to criticize
Mm-hmm.
कि क्यों कर रही हो, why you are doing
Yes.
nonsense thing, not like it's not me, it's better to take care of your kids, right? Everything you have, whatever you want, so you are enjoying your life. No need to earn money extra, no, like extra money. So why you are putting like lots of effort to learn this language and all the things. So you want really, I like never like reveal that whatever I'm doing right now, I'm learning any language, I am connecting, I have started my own YouTube channel, me, my husband, my daughter.
Yeah.
But I don't want to like reveal
Okay.
that truth or things to others also. Yeah.
Yeah, so like after getting married, if we have kid and we are living happy married life, so people can assume you are living your dream life. So there is no any mean to work on yourself to work, go outside to work because your husband is earning good money. So, but it is not all about money. It's all about identity. It's all about our peace,
Yeah.
right? Because I can give you my example when I got married. So. It was 6 years back, 2019, I got married. So after getting married, I moved in Lucknow and I started living in nuclear family. And this city was also new for me. And after that, after 3 months later, the corona pandemic also happened. So like, and after that I got pregnant. So that was totally like everything was new for me. And I just started feeling what I am doing right now. And like my life has changed totally opposite, right? How I was living. And and I started living like totally opposite. So when my husband used to go office and I used to think, okay, what I am doing, what is the mean of my life? And I'm staying at a home mom all the time, and I felt frustrated. Then like it was 4 years gap, I took 4 year time, and in between that I raised my child. And when my child started going to school, then I got some time and I thought, okay, it's time to work on myself. I really wanted to do something, but it's not a cup of tea for me to step out my house leaving my baby alone. So I stumbled upon one conversation video, and then I thought, okay, if she can do, I can also do. Because like I was fascinated towards English since my childhood, and I think dots are still connected till it. So I started working, and gradually I got to know process learning, and now I'm here after 10 months later. And when I started my journey, so I didn't have any idea where I should go and what should I direction I can take. So I didn't have any idea. So I believe in that if we really want to do something, so our subconscious mind can give you the path. If you have zeal to do something, and we keep thinking, okay, that is my purpose. So, and initial time you don't know direction, right?
Yeah.
That if you we keep thinking, so our subconscious mind, the universe will give you step by step path, guidance, direction,
I also believe
right?
that. Yeah, because
but
I was
but
also.
first we need to, yeah, first we need to visualize ourselves. First we need to think, I really want to do something, I don't want to sit idle. And we should have that caliber, that zeal, that willpower to put our heart and soul what we really want to do, what we love to do.
Yeah, and it's natural, I would say, if you are feeling not good. Sometimes happen also, just try to pull your weight, right? Because
Right, right.
if you are not able to do, sometimes we need to push ourselves to do whatever we want.
Hmm.
Because being mother, we always like occupied with our responsibility. So it's very normal. We feel like
Right.
wiped out, right? Like wiped out. So it's,
Hmm.
I
Yeah.
think, natural. If you are ready to
Hmm.
embrace the situation, it's natural things. Suppose I think yesterday I had conversation with Shushmita. So I was feeling like very tired
Hmm.
or very lazy, lethargic. So doing my worship, so I thought like I'm going to take a nap for a while. And because reason, what was the reason, because I'm connecting with you. So today is our my second conversation for my YouTube channel, and yesterday it was my first. So I was
Okay.
very like I was getting cold feet.
Mm-hmm.
So that was the reason my mind was not ready to connect with Sushmita. But by force, I started doing. Even before you also, I
Yeah.
was asking to my daughter, so you are ready to connect with Pooja? So she said, no,
Mm-hmm.
you have to connect. Just push yourself. It's
Mm-hmm.
very mandatory for you. Otherwise, you are not going to crack. Okay? So just give it a shot and connect with her. You are already good. So I said, okay. So I even after sending that link, so I was thinking, I was just asking, I was trying to convince her, just please come and connect with her.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. You just try to put yourself on the back burner, right?
Yeah, exactly. Because I
Don't
don't
do this. And
facing
it's
camera.
happened.
Facing camera
How
for
year old your daughter is?
she's 11-year-olds.
Hmm. Okay,
She's doing
okay. Yeah, you
conversation
send me
between
one video.
definitely. Even she is the what the way she like speak in English, I would say is admirable. I would say, and everyone admire.
Impeccable.
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
yeah, commendable. I would say, and
Mm-hmm.
before me, she have been putting her video on our YT channel. But when her school will restart, so I have to
Okay.
like yeah take care of my own YT channel. So that is the reason I have started because I cannot push
Y-
her.
Yes. It's your
her
responsibility to consistent that journey.
yeah, no, I
Mm-hmm.
think it's very long.
Because it's high time to focus on her study.
Yeah, but
Mm-hmm.
she's very good at
Yeah.
speaking. She's very good at communication skill, I would say. So you will find like the way she speaks, everyone like when she started speaking. So that is the reason. And she was asking, I think it's been 8 months. She was just pushing, Mama, I want to become an influencer. Just give me permission. She was trying to convince us, her father and me. So I said, no,
Mm-hmm.
this is not right time. You try to focus on your studies, very mandatory, right? And these days, people they
Right.
start like criticizing kids even without give it like without thinking second thought. So it's better just
Right.
try to understand if you want to do so. It's better to do something productive. So you are already good at
Yeah.
communication and English. So try to start your own channel. That's
Hmm.
how you are going to thrive also through the your channel.
Mhm.
So she accept and
Yes.
decided she
See, if
happy.
child is,
Yeah.
yeah, so there are lots of pressure on child these days, and parents, and they are just forcing you should focus on your study only.
Yeah.
But I think this is not a mandatory part. If the child is able to cover all the topic, right? If the child is able to manage everything, and despite spending their time, if
Mm.
she or he is able to make one video in a time, able to connect with one person on social platform, so there is no any harm, right? And they are not, they are utilizing their time in that way, they are building their skill, and building skill is also mandatory part. And nowadays you can say there are lots of person who have good knowledge, academic knowledge, but they don't have skill, any skill, so they are lacking behind. So
Yeah.
skill is also mandatory,
I would like to
so they
count
also
myself.
need.
I would like to count
Yeah.
myself in
Yes.
that queues because I have lots of degree, but because of less confidence, I like always put all the things on the back seat. But now I
Background.
don't
Yeah.
know why after marriage I have started feeling this kind of things. I'm not enough confidence, this and that. Maybe it could be reason of being a mother or it's too long distance maybe.
Hmm. Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, it's happened with everyone, because like before marriage and after marriage, we feel like there are lots of emotional, physical changes happen. So it's because of that. And after becoming mother, we become more emotional,
Exactly.
and we started forgetting everything. And I used to forget lots of things, right? After 1 hour later, if you ask me where I put that thing, so I forgot, due to
Exactly.
the, because our attention, right, our attention divide towards our baby,
Right, right.
so that's why it is happening.
Sometimes happen with me like I'm holding that thing in my hand. I'm searching like whole my house. You
And
see? Do
The
you think?
same thing, right? Which
Yeah.
you are holding. It's
Yeah.
happened. It's
Yeah.
happened.
So sometimes my daughter think you're holding already in your hand. Just look at. So I say yeah, but
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why. Because sometimes our mind is thinking something else. We are searching for something else.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And one thing
Yes.
like
And
being
that leads, that leads into depression. Because of that, there are lots of problem is happening in nowadays. This is like slowly and gradually. If we ignore that part and we just keep doing the same thing, we engrossed with household chores despite working on ourselves, despite like focusing on ourselves, so we can lead. That is the initial step of depression, right? And that is very common nowadays.
yeah, and here I would say like after I think after my daughter when she born, so I start getting like post uh, depression.
Mm-hmm.
So it was very difficult time for me. So I think 4 year I was in depression. But I always like motivate myself. Motivation, I would say, within me always. So I am a spiritual person, so I start some chanting, do some puja with sankalp. So that things
Mm-hmm.
help me a lot. But ultimately, I think at least I decided to take medicine because 3 months, 4 months, I couldn't able to even sleep. Then I decided, oh, okay, I'm going to the
Hmm.
doctor or psychologist. I'm going to take medicine. And I took medicine three
Oh,
month or 4 month. I was in Lucknow that time.
okay.
Yeah, in COVID duration, I would say. Then I decided no. For now, I'm going to
Okay.
like throw my all the medicine. I'm going to work on myself. I decide to do like pursue this NLP course because I was very curious. I
Mm-hmm.
want to understand how our mind works, how I can tackle my relationship, how I can tackle or handle some negative relationship because they always ready to criticize.
Mm-hmm.
They don't even they though they don't know what's going on in your life without knowing
Right.
without any veracity they are just ready to hasty accusations. So I think it's very wrong things. You don't know what's going on,
Yeah.
how
Mm-hmm.
many
Yeah.
night I'm not able to sleep properly. And one day 2 day people not able to sleep proper, they are not getting proper sleep, so even they cannot talk properly, they cannot serve their family happily. So if I talk about myself, so I haven't sleep, like I hadn't sleep 3 months 4 months. So you can't
Oh
like,
God.
yeah, you cannot imagine what was the day for me. But I am a quite like
After.
yeah, I believe always
Uh-huh.
God, please help me. I start chanting Hanuman Chalisa. Even I do lots of puja like with Sankalp, 21 days. Like lots of because I want to keep away myself from negative things, right? And it's very
Mm-hmm.
normal thing if you are putting a weight after your pregnancy, after your delivery.
Yeah.
It's normal thing.
Mm-hmm.
But people still trying
Normal.
you're not looking good. You have to lose some weight, right? So that things always and I was like a
And we also keep thinking, I'm not looking good. Whenever we stand in front of mirror, we also started feeling, no, I'm not looking good. And we feel demotivated. And that is the problem, that all the problems, we do not get time for ourselves and we are not looking good. We don't have time to work on ourselves and we don't have time to take care of our skin, even take a proper shower, nap. There are lots of things. So like mother, like if we become mother, so we born another,
yeah.
we born again. It is
Yeah,
a
reborn.
reborn,
We reborn. Yeah,
right? Reborn
yeah, we
process,
reborn.
yeah.
And
Okay,
my second,
so
I think my second delivery also I have faced lots of issue because I have to pump like milk to provide my son.
okay.
And
Mm-hmm.
1 year, you won't believe, like my hand, it was like a swell all the time. I cannot even make a fist properly. And whole night, whole day, I have to pump after every 30 minutes. For a kid,
Mm-hmm.
we have
Mm-hmm.
to provide them after 30 minutes a small, like 50
Yes,
ml or
yes,
30
yes.
milk. So, yeah, so I faced a lot, but yeah, that things made me very strong because I believe that I always focus on positive things, not negative things.
whatever happens for a reason, and like blessing in disguise, right?
That is why
So
I'm
just
here.
believe
That is why I'm
God
here.
always, if
Yeah.
you are capable to right, what we call, you are capable to what I'm not able to recall that word. Yeah, you are capable to uh, wait that thing. So that's why God give you that kind of difficulties, problem, or obstacle, setback,
Yeah.
right? You are capable to handle that
And
thing.
one
So
mindset
that's
always
why.
keep in myself like uh, if something happened, so we all know it could be any reason behind it, definitely. And another thing, if
Yes,
God
yes,
loves you a lot
definitely.
rather than others, so He always try to take your taste, right? You are
Make you
capable for,
strong. Yes, make
yeah.
you strong.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
on the spot, when we are facing that difficult problem, that setback, so we are not able to understand, okay, whatever happening, that is happening for a good reason. Because that situation, do not make us to think like that. But we can think after passing that difficult problem, we can be able, like, we can think. But in that situation, we are not able to, because ultimately we are human beings, right?
Yeah.
So we do not feel on the same time on the spot. But I also believe whatever happens for a reason. And if any negative things, any setback occurs in our life, if we start thinking, okay, this is happening for a good reason, and after settling that problem, like we can get good thing. We can, like, our life could be more happy, more joyful, because that's why I am facing that problem. If we start thinking, so that is very easy to overcome that negative part, that obstacle.
And yeah, if you're ready to embrace, veracity is not our enemy. It's our like a
Yeah.
friend. It's work like that. It's come in our
Okay.
life to make us more strong, resilient, and perseverant, right?
Hmm.
And if you're ready, and
Yeah.
earlier I was very, I would say like I was kind of, but I always start like getting cold feet. Oh my God, what next? What I'm going to do again?
Hmm.
Because all the time, if you're facing lots of like hardship in your life, so sometimes we, being a woman, it's very natural to feel unhappy or cry. Then after few minutes, when I introspect
Right.
myself, no, it's happened with everyone. It's normal things. So just embrace and try to overcome. Try to solve the situation. It could is despite to like think all the negativity all the time. So it's better. It would be better for us.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Yeah, so I also got to know one thing. I learned one lesson, right? Right. So whenever any difficulties and any obstacles occur in my life, so despite reacting on that problem, if we keep calm in that particular time, and if we keep calm and just let go, just think, okay, just go with the flow, whatever happen, it will get rid of by time, it will take time, and the good time will definitely come after that. If we So I got to know, okay, now whatever happen, if someone is scolding me, if someone is screaming at me, I just try to keep calm. Okay, so that person can automatically, okay. And I when I like reading a book also helped me a lot. I started reading self-help book, and I start notice that, okay, after reading that book, I like something changing and happening in inwardly.
Yeah.
So now I became changed, something little by little, but something has changed.
Yeah. And I think it's a good thing, it's a good way. Whatever is changing in our within us is, it could be like something good, something right?
Right.
Well, yeah. So
Right, right.
I
Yeah.
think having said that,
So,
it easier said to
hmm.
that done, because
Yeah, I was also about to say
yeah.
it is easier
But
said
sometimes
than done.
definitely, yeah, it's difficult, but yeah, we are trying to like handle the situation calmly and peacefully. Yeah.
See, if we are not able to apply all the things, whatever we had talked, but if we are able to think, if we are able to talk like that, that is also more than that.
Exactly.
right? At least we
So what
think
we
like
start,
that.
what we talk, what we and next step would be like
What
we
we think
start
we,
thinking, and the and
yeah,
next step would be like we are going to do same the things. So that is the
yeah,
reason
yeah.
I
So what
always
we think we can become like that.
become like
It
that.
will take time, but definitely it will, like
Yeah,
we will become like that.
yeah. That is
So thinking and talking what we want to do and how we become what we want to become is also mandatory part.
yeah, exactly. Okay,
Right?
Pooja. I think we
Yeah.
are running
So
out of
we
time.
talked a lot
Yeah, I
and
enjoyed
we both
also.
are on the same boat. We could totally relate with each other,
Yeah.
right? So that's
I
why
think
we
you are
talked a lot.
I think you are from Mirzapur. Basically, you are from Mirzapur.
Yes, yes, I'm from Mirzapur.
I'm
Do you know
also
Mirzapur?
I am also from after marriage.
You're from Mirzapur.
Yes,
Okay.
that is the reason I
Okay, yeah. So,
start approaching you because I always like
okay,
share with my daughters.
okay, then.
She's also
Uh-huh.
from Mirzapur, so I'm going to connect with her.
Yeah, it's happened. And do you know Manju ma'am? And there are lots of YouTuber and they are
Yeah,
from Lucknow. And
yeah,
I approached her because she is also from Lucknow. So that's why
yeah.
it's
I know.
happened.